Philadelphia police took into custody the woman now charged with doing illegal injections to augment a woman's buttocks. Authorities are saying that Podge Victoria Winslow stages what are known as pumping parties. They displayed the paraphernalia that she allegedly uses for the procedure, and this makes medical professionals cringe at how high the risk is, even for serious complications and perhaps even death. With us is Dr. Stephen Davis of Davis Cosmetic Plastic Surgery. Dr. Davis, thanks so much for coming in to talk about this. You know, last year, the American Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery predicted that more patients would be seeking these type of augmentations in their buttocks, but you say this is no way to go.
This is no way to go. Most patients seek out a professional like a board-certified plastic surgeon, and we do things that are really legal injections of this stuff. Number one is usually fat injections, where we can liposuck one area and inject it into a buttocks. But something like this, you have no idea of this person's training. You have no idea what kind of products they're even putting in. So it's very, very, very concerning. You know,
it's interesting because it seems like there are a lot of women, especially younger women, who have felt that they want this augmentation, this this special different accessory that they have, especially after looking at Beyonce and Jennifer Lopez.
Right.
So really, what are the safest ways, and how do you approach a physician, and how do you find a physician who could help you if you want to really look this way?
The easiest thing to do is to really check to see that it's a board-certified plastic surgeon. We've gone to residencies and done these things for years, so it's really, really concerning that so frivolously people feel that they can have these kinds of things injected and potentially, you know, risk their own life to do it. So it's very key to seek those things out. Number two, it's a very common procedure. There's so many legal substances that can be injected, and there's so many great ways of doing it. It's a terrific procedure. It's a shame that it's being tainted this way because so many people really are looking to like reshape their bodies. And this is a great way to do it, but not like in a black market situation.
No, all right, Dr. Davis, thank you very much. We thank you so much for coming in to talk about this. So really the advice is, if you're interested in this, you need to proceed with caution. Now,